and regulation. This presentation will discuss the basic concept of tax and its two main functions in society, which are the revenue function and the regulatory function. These two functions are very important because they explain why tax exists and how they affect both the government and the public. Introduction to tax understanding tax function in law. First, let us understand what tax is. Tax is a compulsory financial charge imposed by the government. The means that citizens are required by law to pay tax, not voluntarily. The money collected from tax is used to fund public service and maintain social infrastructure. Tax play an important role in supporting society as a whole. Through tax, the government can provide essential services such as education, healthcare, public transportation, and infrastructure development. In general, tax has two main functions. The first one in the revenue function and the second one in the regulatory function, which I will explain further in the tax slide. Revenue function of tax. Now let us move to the revenue function, the tax. The revenue function is the primary function of taxation. Its main purpose is to generate funds and for the government expenditure. The money collected from that is used to finance essential services such as infrastructure development, education system, healthcare facility, and public administration. Without tax revenue, the government would not be able to operate efficiently of for economic and social development. Therefore, the revenue function ensures that government has sufficient financial resources to maintain stability and improve the quality of life society. Regulatory function of tax. Next, in the regulatory function of tax, unlike the revenue function, this function focuses on influence behavior. Through tax policy, the government can encourage positive active and discourage harmful one. For example, higher tax on products like tobacco are intended to reduce consumption because they are harmful to health. On the other hand, tax incentive or lower tax are often given to support other environmentally friendly activities, such as investment in renewable energy. Through this function, tax become a tool to shape economic activity and social behavior in line with government policy and long-term goals. Conclusion. First, through a revenue function, tax provide the financial foundation for government operation and public service. Second, through the regulatory function, tax help with economic and social behavior today toward positive outcome. Both functions work together to support sustainable development and social welfare. Therefore, understanding tax function is essential to understand how government policies impact society. All right, maybe just only that what I can explain in here. More or less, I apologize and thank you. See you in the next presentation.